Hello Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and this video is in collaboration with PrinceDeco. Now if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that I have partnered with them before. I'm going to include those other videos down in the down in that description. Now you guys, my items came like this, and you should know your girl. I am finna to show you some more chair covers. My chair covers did look like this. Now you guys, let me tell you, PrinceDeco does a vast array of chair covers. They do curtains, they do what I call privacy dividers as well. Make sure you do check out PrinceDeco. I do have all of that information down in that description box, and I promise you guys, you will be super happy that you did. Now that I pulled this chair cover out of the package, you guys, this thing is so soft and fluffy, durable. I always love that they put that super tight elastic all the way around it. It does come with this set of instructions, you guys, and I always play with it. You see the elasticity on these chair covers. I am going to be trading them out for what I already have here. And you guys, this is the lovely color ivory. Now if you want to see what all we're gonna do and how we're getting ready to do a slight makeover in this living room, watch me put on these chair covers. Now I'm going to show you guys this process from start to finish. I did speed it up a little bit to show you how simple and easy it is. This can be a one-person job too, you guys, as well. They do have tags for the back portion of the chair, so anytime that you are doing what we call a sofa or a couch chair covers, you always have to look for the tags that show you the back portion of the chair covers. Now I'm just sliding them on, and once again I will put PrinceDeco's link down in that description box. They do sell on Amazon. I'm going to put that in the description. I'm also going to link these specific chair covers as well. Now I'm going to let you know real quickly, you guys, this ivory was so close to the white. I was super in love with it. And if you're looking to change the aesthetics of your living room space, make sure you do check out PrinceDeco. Something as simple as changing out a chair cover can completely transform a room. So if you know you're following me, you do know that I love having a complete transformation, especially here during the Christmas season. And to you guys, these chair covers will make marvelous gifts for your family and friends. So if you know someone don't kind of like their chair cover or style, surprise them with a couple. And you'll thank me later, but they'll be glad that you did. So click that link down in the description. That's that first chair cover with the pillow set up. Now what I was going to do, because my chair covers and some of my pieces coming in, and I got a lot of things coming in a little later, because this was originally this ivory, and my pillow covers here are ivory. They do match the chair covers, and you guys, I'm not grounded in on all of the stuff that's matchy, but this is my original intent, because I had to change out the wallpaper and everything. Now believe it or not, the wallpaper came in this morning. Is why I didn't change out this wall. But I'm going to tell you, and I hope you can tell a difference. Even though this darker, you can see the slight difference, and this is pure white, this is ivory. Now we're going to change this other chair cover too. Do not forget, you guys, I told you PrinceDeco is my new my new place to shop. I'm telling you, if you want to do chair covers, as you saw, my chairs are brown. I've been over that brown phase. I'm done with the right now with the brown. I am falling back in love, but still I'm going to do something altogether different. But it allows you to change your decor to give yourself a whole entire new look without breaking the bank. Now, if you like me, you got two chairs, you can accomplish a new look with just doing your chairs with about $100. You guys, you heard me right. You're not buying a chair for $100 nowhere. You can pick one up outside the road, but I wouldn't recommend it. But that is that ivory. And you guys, this chair cover here is the extra large. I use the regular size chair covers because my chairs, I do have to have them, all of them usually going to be oversized, because these chairs, when they was purchased originally, they did have, I think, a total of, this chair had a total of 5, and I mean humongously oversized pillows, because once you sit on the chair, they're what you call the, I don't know, I call them long backs, where you got more space sitting on the chair. If you move the pillows and go out, there's no way you can literally like naturally sit on the chair. But I do have to have oversized, plus you have to account for the style of the chair. You see my back is made like this, come up, go over and out. You do have to accommodate for the style. Now, typically your chair covers you see here, you guys, you just put them at the base of it, so you can typically show the wood. Well, because my wood is brown, I always opt to put my chair covers under the foot of my chair, so that is an option as well. But with that being said, do make sure you guys check out PrinceDeco. We're gonna set up this other chair as well. Make sure you check them out. You know, I have partnered with them before. I'm gonna link the other video as well with PrinceDeco, with the items that I did get in that description, along with these as well. So you guys, make sure you are checking out PrinceDeco. Now, once again, they don't not only do chair covers, they do curtain as well. I am going to go back and get me a set, because you see here, guys, on my windows, we are going cream on the windows as well. I have to have with this triple bay window. You guys, whether you realize it or not, it is 8 sets of curtains at this window. Now, to achieve the look that I naturally go for, I actually need 12. But this is 8 sets of curtains, well, 8 pair, which is 4 sets. So this is 8 pair of curtains at this window, and they're the 52 by 96. You heard me, 52. You know, if you do, they do the shorter ones like 32 or 42. If you do those, you do know you have to account for the extra. If these was 32 and this is 8, I would have had to have at least 12. If it was 42, I would have had to have 10. So make accommodations when you do see curtains like that. But we are going to go back to PrinceDeco and pick up the curtains that actually match this here. Now, with that being said, you guys, do make sure you check them out. We're going to set up this other chair and come back one final time. This is that final look with both chairs done, and I'm telling you, these chair covers are amazing. Make sure you do check out PrinceDeco. Once again, they do sell on Amazon. I got their website and their Amazon information all down in that description box. You guys, make sure you do check them out and let them know that you're coming through me by clicking on that link that I do put in the description. So make sure when you go to their site, you do go through my link, and they know that I am driving traffic to them. Thank you guys so much. And once again, you guys, this is fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. We'll tell you, you may be in for another surprise guys before this Vlogmas season is over, and that is all I'm gonna say. Thanks once again, PrinceDeco, for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate you guys so much. And once again, everybody, PrinceDeco not only sells chair covers, they do sell curtains as well. Make sure you stay tuned, because I am going to pick up me some more ivory colored curtains so I can complete off this look here. With that being said, make sure you come back tomorrow to see what we're bringing you. If you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you guys in another upcoming video. Remember, stay blessed and be positive.